Posloucháte Radio Praha, vysílání Českého rozhlasu do zahraničí.
You are tuned to Radio Prague, external service of Czech radio.
Sie hören Radio Prag, die Sendungen des tschechischen Rundfunks für das Ausland.
Vous écoutez Radio Prague, émission internationale de la radiodiffusion tchèque.
Sintonizan Radio Praga, transmisiones de la radiodifusión checa para el exterior.
This is Radio Prague, external service of Czech radio. Radio Prague's 27-minute English broadcasts for continental Europe and the British Isles begin every day at 06 hours Universal Time on 7345 and 9505 kHz. At 10:30 UTC on 7345, 9505 and 11990 kHz. At 15 hours UTC on 5930, 7345 and 13580 kHz. At 1700 UTC on 5930, 7345 and 11640 kHz. And at 2000 and 2100 UTC respectively on 5930, 7345 and 9485 kHz. To North America, Radio Prague broadcasts every day from midnight and 1 hours UTC respectively on 7345 and 9485 kHz. From 03 hours UTC, we broadcast on 5930 and 7345 kHz. And from 0330 UTC, our frequencies are 5930, 9440 and 11640 kHz. Listeners in Southeast Asia and the Pacific region can hear us every day from 0730 UTC on 15605, 17535 and 21705 kHz shortwave.